Life starts with a single heartbeat, and your journey has started. At PHS Greenleaf, we're with you from the beginning of your life. From the moment you leave the hospital, our products and services are there to ensure your surroundings are healthier, happier, and more aesthetically pleasing. Although you probably didn't notice those beautiful outdoor plants, did you? PHS Greenleaf is there with you throughout your education. From the moment you start school, we help make sure the environment within your school is attractive and welcoming. From indoor planting to green screens and even the Christmas displays, your education is enhanced by the power of plants. Right through until university, our products are all around you every day, keeping the air purified with interior and exterior plant displays. PHS Greenleaf is still with you through your adult life, whenever you're visiting a pub or restaurant, or working hard in the office. Our plant products and services can inevitably brighten up your day. We are even there when you meet your friends for dinner, making sure the restaurant entrance impresses with a flourishing living wall. And hopefully, all this will also help you live a long, happy, and healthy life. So, as you gaze across the well-kept and scenic grounds, it's time to reflect on the way plants have enhanced your time here on planet Earth. From your very first heartbeat to your last.